So this is a pack opening. First one, it's Madden 24. It's some mystery packs. Looks like we got a weekly wildcard elite pack. I don't think these are good. Yeah, that was dog crap. I shouldn't have skipped over them like that. That was bad. Probably gonna quick sell those. Second one. Infinite Flux pack. I've never had one of these. Ooh, that was good. Really good. Okay, let me quick sell some stuff so I can open another mystery pack. And then I will open that. Yeah. That's probably good. Yep. But I think it's 78,000. So I'm gonna quick sell one person probably. It doesn't even have to be a good person. Ultimate Legends pack. Okay, these I think these are good. This is a fantasy. I did not know that. Let's see what we get out of this. That wasn't good. Jimmy Smith, good player though. Oh, Darrell Revis, 94 overall. Is this a Redux flashback? Forget it. Redux flashback. Okay, I'm gonna quick sell all those dudes. Oh, I'm not gonna. Yeah, just quick sell. Let's open another one. See what we get here. Infinite Flux pack again. That's so good. That's cool animation. Bro, that second card is like so bad every single time. Just gonna quick sub both of them. I don't know. Just might as well not do it. It's not gonna be a lot. And quick sell some more stuff. Hope I actually want to line up. Wait. Items. Item manager. I can quick sell something dumb. Yeah, that's probably all I need. Quick sell some more. No, I'm gonna do that later. See what I pull out of this. Might quick sell something out of this. Oh, this is bad. I think. Haven't played this game forever, so this is probably bad. Let's try to play. Oh, 93 though. Oh, what should I get? I don't know what to get here. I'm gonna get this 91 plus NFL draft player. See what I get. Oh, punter 91. What? See what this goes for. Yeah, it doesn't go for all. I'm just gonna quick sell out. Yeah. I don't know what to get here. I'm gonna put something up on the auction block, I think, because I don't think there's anything I can buy. There's nothing I should buy. So I'm gonna something what to get. I wanna put something up on the auction block real quick. I'm just gonna take out somebody on my, because there's nothing on my offense that I have. I don't do offense. I do defense. I want to put. I don't know who to put on the auction block. I know who I should put on the auction block. Oh, I guess I can... Yeah, I'm just gonna try to get another training thing. Mystery pack. Never mind. God, should I quick sell? Who should I quick sell? I'm supposed to put somebody on the auction block. Look, I'll let something do. Put him on the auction block, probably. Yep. Found that. I'll post that anyways, yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit and then come back later. Okay, so the thing hasn't sold yet, but I quick sold some more people. So we're gonna open up some more mystery packs. Or should I get something else? I'm just gonna get the mystery pack. Okay, so opening up pack. Real Deals pack. I don't think these are good. I think these are like really bad. Team of the week. Oh, I don't know what this is. Is this real? Wait. Okay. Nope. Okay. I hope this is something good. No, I'm not even gonna open that. I wish I had 600,000 training. I would open that thing, but anybody ready for NCAA 25? Comment down below if you are. And if you're gonna get it, I most likely will. I like college football more than NFL, so it's a win for me. Okay, so that thing that I was talking about just sold. So we're going to open this. $87. Gino Atkins. $92. $92 Josh Allen. Okay, EA put out these two 91 plus B&D NFL players, so we're gonna NFL draft players. So we're gonna open these up. Probably not gonna get anything good, but let's open it. Okay. Well, actually, I don't think I've seen this animation. Elijah Moore. 91. 91. Left outside linebacker. Okay, so I got some more coins again, and I got some training. So we're gonna open another mystery pack. What? Okay, so we're gonna open up last time it was pretty good, so we're gonna open up another one. But I actually don't know what to get. Yeah, I'll just open up another one. Sorry. Most feared? This is probably bad. Oh, 90 Lamar. I think that was Theme Team.